Poseion is a next-generation high-tech shower head that filters out all harmful substances and provides you with the cleanest water possible. Unlike other shower heads that only have water-saving or purifying functions, Poseion features a unique magnet filter that will take your water quality to a whole new level. This is Vortex water. The Poseion shower head has micro holes that make the vortex water soft and help to deeply moisturize your skin and scalp. This way, you can use less shampoo and soap and still get soft skin and shiny hair. But that's not all. Now, you don't need to worry about your old rusty pipes anymore. The filter cleans your water from any harmful substances and makes it absolutely safe to use for everyone. For us at Poseion, protecting the environment is a top priority. This is why our shower head will not only provide you with fresh and clean water, but also help you to save water and reduce the amount of soap that you use. Change to cleaner water and a healthier lifestyle. Poseion.